All right, 74. Oops, 74 times 5, 76. 4 times 6. So we're going to handle the 4, go down the line to 6, 7, and 5, and then we'll jump down to the 7. So 4 times 6 is 24, carry a 2. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30. Carry the 3. 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 3 is 23. Next line, we start with a 0. Sometimes people put out a smiley face to know that that's just the starting 0. Then we have 7 times 6, which is 42. Carry the 4. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 4 is 53. Carry the 5, and 7 times 5 is 35, plus 5 is 40. And now let's add it together. 4, 2, 6, 2, 4. 4, 2, 6, 2, oops, 6, 2, 4.